Hi, this is Chris from the Lake Ford bringing you a walk around of the Chevy Silverado. We're a Ford dealer, but we sometimes get Chevys as trades, of course. We have a Chevy store right down the block, so we see a lot of each other's models here. My understanding is your primary question was about the undercarriage, so I'm gonna mostly focus on that. We installed new tires on it, so need to get some of that. See on the edge of the tire there, that's just from the new tires getting put on. Gonna get that back into the shop and get that cleaned up. But give you a quick look at the interior here. Like I said, mostly just gonna focus on the undercarriage for you, since that was your primary question or concern. Shot for you. Once again, appreciate your interest. If you have additional questions after viewing, feel free to ask, and we'd love to get you set up with a time to come take a look in person. Thank you very much.